Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews, where I find unique, innovative, and fun products to unbox and review, and to see if they really do what they're supposed to, and if you need to buy them or not. So let's check this out. This is the Body Rider Dual Trainer. It's like one of the exercise bike as well as an elliptical. So it's a 2-in-1, kind of cool. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look in the box here. It says to have two people lift it up, which I did have that help going up the stairs. There was one guy that dropped it off, so it's not super heavy, but just looking in the box, it is pretty heavy looking duty metal there. So in the box we got all of our little pieces, all the hardware knobs, everything you ever wished for, right? Let's see if I can get this out. All right. So just pull that right out of the box there. And there's a little, hey, getting started guides. You got your instructions, assembly. This is a monitor. It's not a video monitor, but it's gonna monitor probably like the heartbeat or timer, things like that. What else we got here? Ooh, always like, ha! That's one of the foot pads there. And then on the other side, got the other foot pad, right? Everything's all shoved into this little box, so plenty big, so you would have to have a really giant foot if you didn't fit on that there. This is one of the ski poles almost. Get an idea of what it looks like. You don't want to use a knife because you can cut this little rubber, so it's got little soft grippies there, and it actually tells you what side it is. That's the left side, so you have that. There's another little end cap there in the bottom. Make sure not to lose that there. Let's see what else. Come on down over here. Let's take a look. And got this piece here. You can probably cut this stuff, right? Alright, so this is just one of the other bars. It looks like it's got the cord in there, which is going to connect to the monitor. Sure. Let's see if I can bust that. No. Alright, I'm going to have to cut that. Not that strong. What else we got over here? Got our base pieces. A lot of pieces here. Holy moly. Pretty heavy duty metal, I will say that, and nicely coated here, like the powder coating. Another piece, no idea what that goes to just yet. This looks like let's see. Looks like for the bottom, the actual stands for it, and it's all going to mount into. Got that. Very nice. Here. Hope you guys like unboxing things. Like Christmas, right? Alright. Alright, so this is another one of the legs for the bottom. Just more cardboard. I love that. Alright. Little baton you can do twirls with. No, this is another piece. All really heavy duty metal. That's awesome, because sometimes these ones are not very heavy duty. Let's see here. Besides having that, some other little pieces. What's this little thing? Oh boy, quick release. All right, yeah, buddy. Okay. Of course, it's upside down, right? The way that I want to do it. So let me just switch this the proper way. Get an idea of what it looks like. It's got this whole plastic coating here, a lot of metal. The fan for the wheel is all covered with this black plastic. Pretty nice, feels pretty thick. And then these look like the bars for the feet pads for the elliptical part. It's just what I would guess without actually knowing the actual different pieces. Just there. And then we have our seat. Very nice looking seat we have. Oh, the nicest seat I've ever seen in my life. Another one. Woo. Getting a good exercise workout just opening this stuff. Holy cow. And then what else? We have one of the other handlebars here. And then the final piece for this body rider dual training. Looks just like another piece. This is probably what the seat mounts to, if I had to guess. Oh, look at that. Lines up. Really, really nice. Again, really great looking powder coating on this. Good weldings. Nice and heavy duty, so you don't have to worry that you're going to sit on it. Thing's going to bend in half. But that's pretty cool. So that's what's in the box of the Body Rider Dual Trainer 2-in-1 exercise bike and elliptical. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do. And look for the review once I get this all set up. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Take care.